531 bees in a population. After 6 days, there were 612 bees. What was the growth rate per day of this population of bees? We're going to use our growth formula, and we're going to replace everything that we know. We know that we ended up with 612 bees, so that's our C sub n, 612. Our C sub 0, the number of bees we started with, were 531. 1 plus the growth rate is what we don't know, and the time is 6 days. Okay, so to the power of 6. I want to get this I alone, and the 531 is multiplying this whole bracket, so I'm going to divide both sides by 531. When I divide the right-hand side by 531, it cancels, so we end up getting 612 divided by 531 is equal to 1 plus I. Now you can work this out. It's going to give you a really nasty decimal. I think it's easier just to leave this as a fraction for now. I want to get rid of this 6. So the 6 is an exponent. So to get rid of the 6, I'm going to multiply this exponent by 1/6. I'm going to be raising the right hand to the power of 1/6, right? Because 1/6 times 6 is 1. Anything raised to the power of 1 is just itself. So we're turning the 6 into a 1 by dividing it by 6, right? But it's an exponent. We're going to do the same to this side. We're going to end up with this side raised to the power of 1/6. And when the 1/6 multiplies this 6, it becomes just 1. So we have 1 plus I all to the power of 1, which is just 1 plus I. But the trick is when you want to get rid of an exponent, you're multiplying it by its reciprocal. Because the number times its reciprocal is 1. The reciprocal of 6 is 1/6. We end up with 612 divided by 531 to the power of 1/6. We're going to do that on my calculator. 612 divided by 531 is equal to, and I'm going to raise that to the power of, in brackets, 1/6. 1 divided by 6. Close the bracket, equals. So that gives us 1.02394. And that goes on for a while. Just save that. We get 1.0239 is equal to 1 plus I, and to get the I alone, I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. That gives us 0.0239, and that's our growth rate. To turn into a percentage, I'm going to multiply by 100 and put the percent symbol. Now I've rounded it to the nearest 1/10 of a percent, and you want to do that in this program. That's going to give us 2.4%. The 9 tells it 3 to round up. 2.4% is our growth rate. That's the growth rate of the bee population. So the growth rate per day of the bee population was 2.4%. Back to the program. 2.4%, like that. And there we go, and that's it for level 3. Have a good day.